welcome back to my YouTube channel. For those who are already subscribing my YouTube channel, I want to take this opportunity to be grateful, and I thank you so much. Kisses to you. And for those new subscribers, don't forget to subscribe in my YouTube channel, and don't forget also to click the bell so that you can get notification on my new uploads. So today I'm so much excited. I have a guest with me. So this topic is gonna be a hot topic, so please just take a cup of coffee, or if you want a wine, cheers, like this, and sit and relax and enjoy. So hi, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
What's your name?
Amalda Memes.
Okay, so are you excited?
Of course, I'm excited. I'm a huge fan of yours.
Okay, I'm grateful. So today I'm gonna discuss about the relationship, the long distance relationship in Qatar.
Sure.
The problems or the challenges that we face here in Qatar.
Interesting topic.
Yeah. So how can you tell me about the relationships in Qatar? How do you see them?
Well, that's a tricky question. And about relationship in Qatar, most of them do not work.
Okay.
I know you know why. You're also in a relationship, I'm sure.
Yeah, of course I am in a relationship. I was in a relationship.
What happened? What happened?
So this is gonna be a real thing. Yeah. So I was in a relationship here in Qatar. As always, you have to try, because also I'm looking for a future, not only about work, also my future. So I had today a guy. I will not name him.
Guy.
I will not mention his nationality. Okay. So the problem about a long distance relationship, the problem was the communication was not that strong, because you could say he's working in a different job, I'm working a different job. So sometimes maybe communication, maybe I'm not around, or maybe he's around and I'm not around, but the core thing was the communication. It wasn't that strong. And we always know that communication is the key.
It's the key.
It's the key
So
in
they
everything.
say,
So
but
yeah,
it's true.
It's true.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
I had to make it a pause, because there is no place where me and you we're gonna go if there is no communication. How we gonna plan about our future? How we gonna plan how we meet, or serious discussion? Because when the time I need you, you're not
not there, you're not available.
So why should I keep you? So that was
You shouldn't keep such a person.
So that was the reason why I could say relationship in Qatar, especially on my side. This is about on my side, because I know everybody has a different perspective, different opinion about their relationships in Qatar.
And the problem, the issue with a long distance relationship, people don't know that you have to work for it.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, all relationship, you have to work, but this is different. It's not like you're together. It's not like when you're together, when you have fights, you fight together, and at some point you make up. When you have fights, you're having fights from here to another country, or maybe a miles distance away.
Yes.
So it takes a huge commitment, and that's why long distance relationships do not work nowadays. They do not.
Yeah, to add on that also, there is a point whereby if somebody is far from you, you cannot know his true character. Like, you cannot know, because when he gets angry, you could not understand, is he really angry or just his tone? You just want to see his face expression. How does he react when he gets angry?
Sure.
Like, how can you just say sorry when he's physically with you? So that is the other thing which I feel like.
Yeah, and it's true. Like, okay, when you're talking about something, you don't know how true that person is. That's what you're trying to say.
Yeah,
and it's like me and you, when we are talking, I can see through you.
Yes.
I can see you're being honest.
Yes.
I can see your friendliness with me. So maybe when you're friends, okay, let's talk about friends, because it's also another type of relationship.
Yes.
When you're far and we're friends, how do we get this connection right now? Right now we have a huge connection, as you see, but if we are long distance, we don't have that connection, you know.
Yeah.
So how, since you brought me here, I also need an advice. How do we make it work?
How do you make long distance relationship work? That is another question. I think you should leave a comment. How do you make a relationship work, a long distance relationship? But the other thing I think is commitment and also trust issues. Okay, there is a time maybe you'll trust that person, but when he does something different, like not the things that he used to do, then that makes it worse, because it's like you are not trusting that person, and you start filling those gaps, filling those void, and saying that maybe he's cheating on me. And of course he's far from me, though we are just in Qatar, but in different, like just in Kenya, maybe somebody is in Nairobi, mwingine ako Rongai, mwingine ako wapi Nakuru. So naelewa, kwa sababu ni shida by day kuwa na jamaa wako huku ukuanga shida sana, kwa sababu kuna time inafika unataka kumuona but unaona hayuko, hapatikani. And okay,
and let's talk about the work schedule here. Hapa tulikuja kazi, so we are tight. Like during the week tunafanya kazi kuanzia Monday to tuseme Sunday. You only have one day off. And that's one day wapo ndo unafaa kufanya vitu zako. You're supposed to wash, you're supposed to cook for yourself, and that's the day you also are supposed to meet or talk to your loved one. I'ma meet with them. So it's very hard to maintain a long distance relationship when you're here.
And also talking about that, I think if maybe we call it the free visa, you know, if you have a free visa, it's open for you. You can go out at night, you can go and see him. But you know, if you came here with a company, there is we call it what? Curfew. Curfew, that you're supposed to be in accommodation at a certain time. Okay, maybe you want to see him in the evening, especially now it's summer. You need to go out at night, not in the afternoon, because it's sunny. Like
it's tricky, very tricky. But like, let's just say if we just put in a little hope and a little faith and a little commitment, and we work, I think we can do this, you know.
We can do it,
because at the end of the day, nobody promised you an easy relationship. It's all about working towards it. You work towards your insecurities, your trust issues, your love, how they want to be loved, and it should be easy. What do you think about that?
It's true, but the most important thing I could say, the core thing to add on that, first is commitment, second is communication, third is
communication,
trust. To add on all this, but the most important thing is communication, because you cannot be committed if that somebody is not communicating with you.
It's true.
How can you trust somebody you don't communicate with?
How?
So it's the key thing is communication. So for me, I'd rather quit a relationship, or I'd rather start from zero if you're not communicating with me.
It's true. Like at the end of the day, when you're living your life, you have goals. And what's the aim of having those goals? To reach your goals. So even if you're in a relationship, you have goals and you have like plans with this person. And if you can't reach your plans, and if you don't see you're not heading anywhere, you're not making any steps to your plan, quit.
And there is this myth, people they say that in Qatar, that you know, girls in Kenya, that they cannot date their own Kenyans, that we have to date Nigerians, we have to date Ghanaians, we have to date British. Let me tell you something. We have girls who are committed. We have girls that they need a man, they need somebody to make a future with, but our fellow Kenyans, that they don't appreciate us, they think we are after money. Of course we have to have money so that you can build a better future, but
I thought you said you have to have money so that you can have a relationship.
No, hand in hand, because it will also make the relationship much easier, because right now you'll be like, I need a guy who doesn't have money so that we can build each other. At the end of that day, at the end of that relationship, you build that man. But when it comes like this man wasn't committed and you build everything with him, you made him who he is, and he will still quit on that relationship,
and it will be a total huge waste of time.
That's what
I fear. Wasting your time with the wrong person, that's a very bad thing. Wasting your time, you know, like time is supposed to be special. everything you do, you
Yes.
do it in your timeline, you know, and then you're here committed to a person like for 2 years, and I'm Wendy Mahali. Seriously, what's that? Sasa nini hiyo?
Ni kupotezeana muda, tuko hapa kupotezeana muda.
Tuko hapa kujijenga.
Tuko hapa kujijenga. So for those people who think that, though I know some people who are in this in Qatar, they have better opportunity, they have good men, and this video is not about to criticize about relationships in Qatar. We have better relationships in Qatar. They're really working. But if it didn't work for me, doesn't mean that it won't work for you.
Yeah, it's true.
Because so here it's like we are discussing the challenges that we faced, and I know we have to we have a lot of challenges. This is just part of it: communication issue, commitment, insecurity, the work schedule, the cafe, and a lot of things. So usifikirie kwamba mimi sikuweza kupata mwanamume hapa sitakosa kupata mwanamume. Sawa,
umesikia?
So guys, let me know actually nataka kujua kwamba how do you view this, or what's your view on this relationship, the challenges? Maybe you have another challenge, or maybe you want to know more about the challenges or the long distance relationship here in Qatar. So let me know in the comments. And what can you tell about the people before we wind up?
Oh yeah, about me. This is the part that talk about me.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, I'm also a YouTuber, and as you support my sister here and my colleague, I'd love very much you guys to support me and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm Malda Memes, just the way I say it. And if you subscribe, I'll be grateful, and I love you.
Yeah, please don't forget to subscribe to her YouTube channel. Until next time, stay tuned.